She's more nervous and scared than me. But you would think she's the one who's proposing. Undercover. Yeah. She was saying she should put on her shoes. My mom's saying I should disappear. You've been my girl, and now it's time to be my fiance. And the Bible also says, he who finds a wife finds a good thing. So I wanted to ask if you would be my good thing. When I got down on one knee, the ring has moved. So Tatenda, will you marry me? Will you be my fiance? Huh?
Yes!
You're saying no. So I've never really married before, so I don't know which finger it is. You're gonna have to guide me which one is it. I hope it fits.
You know, when you read the Bible, it says, in the beginning was the Word was God, and the Word is God. And with that same Word, God said, let them unite. And with the same Word, God healed the blind. And with the same Word, many miracles were performed. I remember 4 years ago, my brother said, I'm going to marry this girl. That's what he did. He spoke it into existence. And it's because of that word we're all gathered here today.
And if you find someone who genuinely loves God, loves themselves, respects your family. There are times when we're brothers, I hate my brother so much. We fight, or even I would argue with my parents. But even if they are right, she always say no, go and apologize. She's someone who instills peace, who respects family and values it. She always wants the best for my family. Not someone who comes to destroy the family or competes with them. No, she's always put my family first. And if you find someone who honors your family and honors you and loves God, I don't know really what else you need now.
I just wanted to say thank you to everyone for coming. Thank you to the Katua family for choosing me, for welcoming me into your life. Thank you, Farai, for choosing me and for loving me. I can't wait to plan our wedding and to just do the rest of life with you. I love you so much. And